Y'all, tacos are great. Fusion tacos are even better. What are fusion tacos? Well, that's when you take another type of dish, you merge it into a taco. Today, bulgogi tacos, the beautiful slaw. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're gonna make our bulgogi sauce. To our bowl, we're gonna use, this is low sodium soy sauce, about a half a cup. I'm gonna do about a quarter cup of rice vinegar. I'll come in about a quarter cup of brown sugar. Now, while you're doing this, you'll want to go ahead and get your griddle pre-warmed. I got it pre-warmed on a low heat while this is going, all right? If you want some sesame oil, go right ahead. Personally, I'm not a sesame oil fan, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of avocado oil. We're gonna mix this up. And this is gonna be the bulgogi sauce that goes onto our New York strips. Now, talking about New York strips, we are using two nice New York strips from Good Chop, good friends over there. New York strips are very good, a little bit leaner than a ribeye, but also still very tender because it's part of the loin. How are we gonna season this up? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're gonna do a few things, okay? We'll do essentials blend, just a little bit. We're not gonna go too heavy here because our sauce here, bulgogi sauce, you know, has a lot of flavor in it as well. We're gonna use the blackened steak seasoning. This right here is gonna make it have a nice color, but also nice flavor. We're gonna let those just kind of set over here for right now because we got a few other things to do. We gotta make a slaw. And if you know old Hussy, Hussy loves a slaw now, let me tell you. I'm gonna bring in a little bit of avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Come in with some lemon juice, nice little citrusy. Got some cilantro, beautiful cilantro. This is gonna be a nice slaw, very fragrant. Now, got a little bit of cabbage. You can do a slaw mix if you want, but I got some green cabbage I need to use. Nice little half a head of cabbage. Put it right there. Cucumber. I'm gonna do about a half. This is an English cucumber. If you notice, I'm kind of cutting this kind of on a little bit of an angle. Makes it look nice and bougie. All right, we got a little bit of honey. Where's my honey at? Right here. A little honey. A little salt, a little pepper. Pep. Pep. And a little salt. Now, let's give this a mixy. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's give us a try. Oh man, it's good. Last but not least, gotta have like a little dipping, a little sauce, a little saucy sauce. And that consists of some goodies too. All right, we're gonna do some sour cream. A little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Now to this, we got a lime. Gonna come in a little bit of heat, a little bit of Sriracha, and a little garlic powder. I forgot to add something to our slaw. All right, it's all right. It's just a little slight mistake. Put that right there. A little red onion. I got it here, Summers. There it is. A little red onion. A little red onion go really well in this slaw. Also puts a little bit of contrast as well. So a couple just really thin slices of red onion. Put that right there in our slaw. Love that crunch from an onion in here, especially like a nice red onion. All right, we got our sauce, got our slaw, got our bulgogi sauce, and we got our New York strips ready. It's time to cook these dudes now. Just gonna do a little bit of avocado oil. Avocado oil, very high smoke point oil. And we're just gonna let that kind of come up to temp. We're gonna get our steaks down. After that first 30 seconds, I'm gonna come over, flip this steak. We'll flip it over to another place, all right? As you can see, it's still, rather raw, kind of right in the middle. It's all good. We got plans for that, all right? in efforts to try to get some crust on these edges. Just going to kind of lean these up on one another. Take your spatula. That way to just get some good color on those sides, because it's a nice thick steak. All right, we got some color on them edges. Let's go put these onto our cutting board. And again, they're not quite ready, and that's okay. I'm going to take a nice slicing knife here and just going to come in and slice these nice and thin. Now that we have this slice, the griddle, we're putting this on low heat, okay? It was screaming hot, had it on high. I got it actually on low, and I'm actually cutting the middle two burners off. So I'm going to take our spatula. I'm going to put this right back right there. Take this, put it on there right there. Now, the Bulgogi sauce. This will help give it some good flavor, and it'll help cook this New York strip through a little bit more. There we go. Oh man, I smell that garlic, I smell that ginger. All that sauce is going to get in each and one of those cuts. Whew, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to switch out my cutting board. I'm going to come right back. All right, after a little while on that side, we're going to flip that over. Do it on the other side. Woo! We're going to put some more of this sauce on it. And this is pretty much done, y'all. You want it nice and medium rare anyway. There we go. Warm your tortillas up, folks. Don't be giving me no cold tortillas, all right? Warm them suckers up. Flour, you want corn tortilla? Do corn tortilla. Let's get this bulgogi off. It's done. Ooh, coming in hot, coming in hot. Tortillas. Thank you, Mr. Blackstone. Your services are thanked. That's it, y'all. That is it. I'll tell you what we need to do. We need to try the steak. Boy, that tortilla don't know what it's got coming. Oh, real good. All right. Let's make a taco. Let's make a taco. I don't have any more. Let's just take a few of those right there. Just like that. We'll take some of our slaw. Beautiful slaw. Whew, that tortilla still just dang hot. A little hot tamale. There we go, a little bit of that sauce. Nice sauce. And just for safe measures, a little bit more of this sriracha. Whew, golly, boy, that is like burning my hand. And just to make things a little cute. Oh, I forgot to bougie this up a little bit. A little bit of sesame seeds right on top of that bulgogi. Is that not pretty right there? Good night. Whew, man, I hate to do this, y'all. Hate to do this, but somebody's got to do it, all right? Cheers. That was a good taco. The cucumber and the slaw with the cabbage and the onion, that works. The bulgogi sauce, I mean, that New York strip is right too. That taco is dynamite. Y'all, I highly suggest you giving this a try at your house. Hey, I appreciate you watching, appreciate you stopping by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome tacos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.